This video me making purposely long all online affiliate marketers below me, MapMasterJoel, or customers below me, or MapMasterJoel. Now online followers, now friends, now top ends below me. Now Bible looking or sambla all group below me bla all you advertise him also you watching video na you see money. Plenty of you me say looking more kind system now also scam him or man Mary. So big plus you must understand him also. Now what one plus something is like ground and free. Suppose old man ila watching video taso like money. Hey, but when you gonna win up anymore, but when you gonna bull up look long, making money. Now even well too, why bully any money? Why bully work? Because all sending them free. You can watching video taso now, like some money tomorrow, or some money after 10 minutes. Common sense. MapMasterJoel. Now followers, clients, customers belong MapMasterJoel me to give la clear. Minus of make him work. So suppose you all money use him na only sell you link, only name the MapMasterJoel and you know me. So now me guide him you. So thinking now you ban him. Plenty group inside long or online platforms, all members, all you go to advertise him also. You watching video tasol na you see money. Common sense scam. So plenty time also make him work look him personal information on you, personal data on you. Long ball can use him, long online marketing, online scam system marketing long all. Or link boli sali leme also use him domain. Now domain suppose you trust in domain but must link go long on blah website where CEO blame and trusted registered business address contact details also. So plenty time also scam him also information now only all AI. So only use him twin system, AI twin system. So only can use him photo long OLED na only salim going to AI na only write him script long respond according long. So now me will sit down make him write live video stuff now. So how will make him slide? All by talking you watch him 10 minutes or 5 minutes and you choose $5 or 30 kina or 100 kina or 200 kina. So think him this is like amino real system. Only make him link or website address no share him link long you you can give him detail long you can abstract him personal information long you. Now only sell link below you. So you think him email below you and link go along or personal profiles below you. Now email below you and Google verified email below you now. Only link go along or not on banking system below you. A link go along all social medias below also YouTube, also TikTok, also Facebook. Now all not social medias. Now once you enter him information belong you or some mobile number belong you or email address belong you, system automatically abstract him detail belong you. Now only feed him all information. So what also make him only use him mobile belong you, only use him email belong you, or make him online scam marketing belong all now. So now we'll go also plenty all stuff inside the Telegram. Now only talk. Oh, me watch him 10 minutes or so, mix him 100 kina. Me no payment plus something. I'm free. You can definitely watch him free na YouTube money. Now time you watch him, yes, bully pay him you. Now only play thinking long all. Ideas only play no. You sell him mobile number blue, and link one them banking blow you. So time you sell him only talk you withdraw him. But you withdraw your money, don't you now? But you put him mobile. Sorry, but you put him bank detail blue website. So now all him banking detail blue finish. All him mobile blue finish. All him email address blue finish. Nansla phone yoglo all him phone stuff and yoglo make him okay. When I'm information history data blue stored inside his phone blue now yoglo working with stuff. I'm all him slowly. All information. Do you inside the phone now you will make stuff. So now, inside the Telegram now, boli talk also. Oh, me watching 10 minutes na, me watching 5 minutes or 2 minutes na, mix him 100 kina. So until 100 kina, boli salim go inside long bank long you yet when sila mobile, sila bank number blue you been salim go inside you can withdraw him. So boli you sim sila bank detail long you long salim money go inside false money because system blue to register finish want the mobile banking boli salim information also your account is credited. Information. So I'm now. I'm only chill up. You know you only chill up. No, but you seem sla. This like information long. Advertise now. Boli advertise like some more money again. So boli only talk also. Your account has been credited with 25,000 kina. So you withdraw him. And you know you make him. And because all scam him number of finish now, already making the system long attract him not like customer. So now you stop upset waiting or say I'm true. So now the more you invest, the more you make him money blue inside long account long you know so more raw seems like money blue stuff lo backside long canvas blue backside only ID finish and make him upside stuff. So thinking all you can use him email blong you long marketing la product ball scam product. All can use him social media blue long marketing la scam product ball. The more you make him, the more clients use him. All you benefit lots all information. All you him personal data long, phone all long, email all long Facebook all long TikTok all long YouTube all. Now importantly all you him abstract data long banking data long you. So all you use him just like false information. Long marketing like not all members. Now you think him man him all legal man, all university degree, bachelor, masters, graduate, all making sure work start. So the best idea you'll making sure work. Create him new email. Buy him new phone. Now open him new bank account. Now you allocate him this phone, this email, this number, this bank account below you. Purposely lo make him slow up na inside lo bank below you. No can sell him money blue go inside. No can sell him money blue go inside. You can use him differently look money blue. And the best advice we can give you. Suppose you want man you say also mobile below you, phone below you, and email below you make him long. Business below you or you link him on the mobile system or you link him on the online system below you no make him use him mobile below you long access him legit platforms below you long social media below please no one use him. The moment you use him same time only access him all history blog you inside this phone now you go use him long watch him video long all stuff. Mobile blog you go shileme. The mobile number all you go access him information history blog you. This bank blog you go use him leme all of abstract him detail blog you. Now all by using bank blue you salim money na gamani will not all same. Yes, I'm real man I'm salim money. So think him now in AI world. Think him na protect him mobile blog you, email blog you, phone blog you, bank account blog you. Important. So I'm legally tips na advice from MapMasterJoel. MapMasterJoel, I mean work blame him. Work blame no affiliate marketing. Lo legit na platform na domain and registered go long real systems affiliate marketing na music na global system long and him real money work hard na money you know what from the free